Imagine soaking in a warm, soothing bath after a long day, without the hassle of climbing over a high tub edge. That's the magic of walk-in bathtubs. These marvelous inventions offer not only ease of access, but also increased safety and improved comfort. They bring a touch of luxury to any bathroom, turning a simple daily routine into a spa-like experience. Ready to bring this luxury into your home? Follow along as we guide you through the process of building your own walk-in bathtub. Building a walk-in bathtub begins with gathering the right materials. Think of it as cooking an exquisite dish, where each ingredient plays a vital part. First on our list is a walk-in bathtub kit. This kit is the heart of our project, containing the bathtub and the door mechanism. Next, we need plumbing supplies. These include pipes, couplings, and valves. They are our lifelines, ensuring water flows in and out of the bathtub smoothly. Now let's talk tools. A good craftsman can't work without her tools, right? We'll need a wrench, a power drill, and a level. The wrench is for tightening our plumbing fixtures, the power drill for creating holes where needed, and the level for ensuring everything is perfectly horizontal. Last but not least, safety gear. Never forget a pair of safety goggles and gloves. We want to build a bathtub, not a hospital visit. Once you have all your materials, it's time to get your hands dirty. A good DIY project starts with a well-prepared workspace. Indeed, when you're about to build your own walk-in bathtub, preparing the space is a step you cannot afford to skip. First things first, you'll need to remove the old bathtub. This might require a little elbow grease, but remember, every effort you put in now will pay off later. Once you've removed the tub, it's essential to clean the area thoroughly. Sweep, scrub, mop, do whatever it takes to ensure the space is as clean as a whistle. Next, you'll need to mark out exactly where your new walk-in tub will go. Use a tape measure to gauge the dimensions and mark the area with a pencil. This step is crucial for ensuring the perfect fit and avoiding any installation headaches down the line. Remember, a well-prepared space is the foundation of a successful DIY project. With the space ready, it's time to start the installation. Now comes the exciting part, installing your new walk-in bathtub. We're going to break this down into manageable steps for you, so let's roll up our sleeves and get started. First things first, carefully position your tub within the previously prepared frame. Remember, this is a two-person job, so make sure you have a buddy to help you out. Once the tub is in place, secure it to the frame. This is typically done using a series of screws or brackets that come included with your bathtub. It's crucial to get this step right, ensuring the tub is level and firmly attached. You wouldn't want any unexpected wobbles during your first soak, would you? With the tub securely fastened, we move on to the plumbing. Locate the tub's drain and overflow holes, and align them with the corresponding pipes in your bathroom. Again, this might require a little bit of assistance. Attach the fittings, making sure they are tight, but be careful not to over-tighten as this can lead to damage. Next, connect the faucet and the water supply lines. This is typically a straightforward process, but make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions to avoid any unnecessary hiccups. Once everything is connected, it's time to test your handiwork. Fill the tub with water and check for any leaks around the drain, overflow, and faucet connections. Pay attention to the floor underneath and around the tub as well. If you notice any water, try tightening the connections a bit more. Testing isn't just about checking for leaks though. Turn on the faucet and let the water flow. Check the water pressure and make sure the drain is functioning properly. After all, you want your first bath to be a relaxing experience, not a troubleshooting session. Once you've tested your tub and everything's working perfectly, it's time to complete the project. And remember, the satisfaction of a job well done is worth all the effort. So don't rush, take your time, and enjoy the process of creating a walk-in bathtub that you can be truly proud of. A great DIY project isn't just about functionality, but also about aesthetics. The same goes for our walk-in bathtub project. Once the installation is complete, it's time for the finishing touches that will give your project a polished, professional look. First off, we need to make sure the bathtub is well sealed. This is crucial to prevent any water leakage that could damage your bathroom floor over time. Use a good quality silicone sealant around the tub, paying close attention to the areas where the tub meets the floor and the walls. Remember, a neat and careful application will not only ensure a watertight seal, but also contribute to the overall aesthetics of your project. Next, let's talk about painting. If your bathtub has a frame, give it a fresh coat of water-resistant paint. Choose a color that complements your bathroom decor. This will not only protect the frame from moisture, but also add a touch of personal style to your new walk-in bathtub. Last but not least, clean up your workspace. Sweep up any debris, wipe down surfaces, and make sure all your tools are put away. A clean workspace is a safe workspace, and it also gives you the satisfaction of a job well done. And there you have it, your very own walk-in bathtub. Now it's time to fill it up and enjoy a well-deserved soak. Building your own walk-in bathtub might seem daunting, but with the right tools and a little patience, you can create a luxurious addition to your bathroom. Just think about it. We've gone through all the steps together, from gathering the materials to preparing the space, installing the bathtub and adding the finishing touches. It's been a journey, hasn't it? But remember, it's one that you too can embark upon. There's a unique sense of accomplishment that comes from creating something with your own two hands, especially when that something adds comfort and luxury to your home. So why not give it a try? Take your time, follow the steps we've outlined in this video, and who knows, you might just surprise yourself with what you're capable of. Thank you for joining us on this DIY journey. Don't forget to subscribe to the Videos Money channel for more inspiring and helpful DIY projects. Remember, with a little effort, you can turn your home into a haven of luxury and comfort.